Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this grader I'm working on. It's 3-point hitch style tow behind grader. We've got it attached to our Kubota MX 5200. If you look at my previous videos, I've got a short video about this tractor. This we tow behind the tractor to grade path material, and this thing wears out parts like it's going out of business. The skis that you see here wear out, and these scraper blades, there's two of them. The rear one there, it doesn't wear as fast, but the front one, which is there, I just removed it, wears out incredibly fast. So that's a piece of steel about a 1/2 inch thick by 5 feet by about 6 inches wide. And here's our new piece that I'm going to weld on today. So you can see the thickness of the skis. I've just flipped these skis. This is actually the back. And if you look towards the rear, which used to be the front, you can see that these things get almost paper thin and then start to wear and break off. So we cut them, flip them over, and then weld them back on the other direction, and we get another season out of them. This is a Byonic blade, spelled Byonic. It works fantastic behind our machine here. Just consumes parts, but I guess that's what'll happen when you drag something across the ground all day long. See the same thing. This end of the ski used to be at the front, but I cut it off yesterday and flipped it around. As you can see, as you get closer to the front, it gets thicker and thicker and thicker. There you go, grader. Thanks for watching.